In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create slow motion with a clip. The first thing is when you film the clip, you have to shoot it at a high frame rate. So if you look closely here, the clip is on a GoPro, that's why it says GXO. But here you can notice under frame rate, it's 119.88 or rounded up to 120 frames per second. The sequence here is 30 frames per second. So it's important that you shoot that clip at a high frame rate. Now, to get your sequence at a specific frame rate, you remember you have to go under here, File, New, Sequence. And when you go to Sequence, go to Digital SLR under 1080, and you have three choices, 24, 25, and 30. So in this case, I chose 29.97, which is 30. And you can give it a name. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to skip the OK here because you can see the sequence is slow motion. Now I just renamed it slow motion, and you can do the same if you right click on a clip and do rename. Okay, so now before I drag the clip in, well, let me just show you an example. If I drag the clip in, it's just gonna, and also choose keep existing settings. You'll notice that it just plays at normal speed. Okay, and I wanted to do slow motion. So in order to do that, I'm going to go up here with the clip selected. I'm going to go up to sequence. No, hold on a second. It's okay. It's modify is what I want. So let me right click on it. Nope. Sorry for the. Okay, it should say modify under clip. Yeah. So modify and then choose interpret footage. Okay. Now here it says use a frame rate 120. I don't want to do that. I want to assume this frame rate here, and it says 1, but I'm going to change it to 30 so it matches the sequence. Okay? And then when I bring that clip in, you notice this is way longer, and because it slowed it down. And I'm going to do keep existing settings, and then as you see when I play it, it slows it way down. Okay? And that's really all there is to it. And then when you're done, you export it like any other clip, which is, just to review, File, Export Media. Here, make sure it says H.264. Be sure it says maximum render quality here. And always click on this, give it a name, and navigate to the folder where you created it. I happen to create mine on the network folder under video 1 in the example of this tutorial, and I had a folder. I didn't make a folder in this one. I should have made a folder called slow motion with my clips in it, but that's where I would have saved it. Okay, that's about it.